Good morning, students. Computer network. This class, I am going to discuss about the cyclic codes. The cyclic codes are special linear block codes with one extra property. The cyclic codes are special linear block codes if a code word is cyclically shifted, that is rotated, the result is another code word. Okay. So this is an example of the data word and code word. Yes. Cyclic redundancy check. CRC means a cyclic redundancy check. We can create cyclic code to correct errors. The cyclic codes in a category are called the cyclic redundancy check, CRC, that is used in a networks such as LAN and WAN. Okay. So this table shows an example of the CRC code. So this is the figure, shows the CRC encoder and decoder. So this is encoder and decoder. The sender side, the data word. The data word has 4 bits here: A0, A1, A2, and A3. The code word has 7 bits. We generate 3 extra bits. Okay. Therefore, the code word now becomes A0, A1, A2, A, along with the generator generates the code word. So this we have sent to the receiver. So here the generator uses a divisor of the size n minus k plus 1. The generator divides the argument data word by the divisor, that is by using the mod 2 divisor. The quotient of the division is discarded and the remainder R0, R1, R2 is applied to the data word to create the code word. Okay. Let me see later an example how to derive the code word. Okay. So again, when we send the code word to the receiver receives the code word and then use the checker to generate to regenerate the syndrome, that is the S1, S0, S0, S1, S2. Then this syndrome is discarded and then it accepts only the data word A0, A1, A2, and A3. That is the decoder receives the corrupted code word. The copy of all n bits fed into the checker with a replica of the generator. The remainder produced by the checker is a syndrome of n minus k bits. So n minus k bits, which is fed to the decision logic analyzer. So decision logic analyzer, and the analyzer has a simple function. If the syndrome bits are zeros, if the syndrome bits are all zeros, then the 4 leftmost bit of the code words are accepted. Okay, so these code words are accepted as a data word, that is A0, A1, A2, and A3. Now let me see an example. Right. So the data word is here 1001, and then the divisor is here 1001. 1 1. Now we take 0 0 0. So first 1 1 time. So 1 0 1 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 is here. Sorry, here we apply logical OR XOR. Okay, XOR. So when there are the same bits, then 0. A different bit means it is 1. So 1 1 is the same, therefore 0. 0 1 is different, therefore 1. So 0 0 is same, therefore 0. So like that 0. Now we take this 0 here. Therefore 0 1 0 0, which is not divisible by 1 0 1 1. Therefore we put the 0. Then we 1 into 1 0 1 1 into 0. So all becomes 0. Okay. Then 0 0 is a 0, 0 0 is a 0, 1 0 is a 1. Okay. Then 0 0 is a 0. Now here we have 2 digits. Okay. Therefore again we bring this 0 here. Therefore we add a 0 here. Now we bring the 0 here. Okay. Now again we add the 0 here. Therefore, so 1 into 1 0 1 1 is a 1 0 1 1. Right? Then again apply the exclusive OR operation. 0 1 is a 1, 0 1 is a 1, 0 0 is a 0, like that 1 1 is a 0. Okay. Now we take this 0 here. Right. Therefore 0 1 1 0. Then again so which is not divisible, therefore 0 0 0 0. Right. Then 0 0 is a 0, 1 0 is a 1, 1 0 is a 1. So this is the remainder. Right. Therefore this remainder is added with the data word. 1 0 0 1 is a data word and the remainder is a 1 1 0. Now this becomes the code word. This code word is sent to the receiver. Okay. Now let us see on the receiver side. Okay. Now so the code word is a 1 0 0 1 and so the data bit is a 1 0 0 1. Then the remainder is a 1 1 0. So what is called the code word. Okay. So this is the code word. Now we take first 1 0 0 1 and then 1 1 0. So one time. So 1 0 1 1. So 1 1 is a exclusive OR 0, 0 1 is a 1, then remaining are 0. Now we bring this 1 here. So 1 0 1 is not divisible, therefore we put a 0. Then 0 into 1 0 1 1 is a 0 0 0. Then 1 0 is a 1, 0 0 is a 0, 1 0 is a 1, then 0 0 is a 0. Then we put 1 here. So this is divisible by 1 time. So 1 into 1 0 1 1 is a 1 0 1 1. So 1 1 is a 0, 1 1 is a 0, 0 0 is a 0. So 1 1 is a 0. Okay. Now we bring this 0 here. Therefore we put the 0 here. Then 0 into 1 0 1 1 is a 0 0 0 0. So 0 plus 0 XOR 0 is a 0 0 0 0. Okay. Now the syndrome is a 0 0 0 0, 3 zeros. Hence we accept the data block. Okay. Suppose that this digit has been changed while transmitting. So instead of 1, it changes to 0. Now what happened? Now 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 divisible by 1 0 1 1. Now one time. So 1 0 1 1. So 0 1 XOR is a 1, 0 1 is a 1. So 0 0 is a 1, 0 1 1 is a 0. Now we take this one here. So 111, which is not divisible. Okay, therefore we put the 0. So 0 into 10, 11 is a 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0 is a 1, 1, 0 is a 1, 1, 0 is a 1. Now we put 1 here. Therefore this is divisible by 1. So 1 into 1, 0, 1, 1 is a 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 1 is a 0, 1, 1 is a 0, 1, 0 is a 1. So 1, 1 is a here 0. Okay. Now 1, 0, 0, we bring this 0 here, and hence we put the 0 here. Therefore when we multiple with this one, 1, so 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now so 0, 1 is a 1, 0, 1 is a 1. So this is 0, 0 is a 0, this is 0. Therefore here we get syndrome is a 0, 1, 1. Therefore, so which is here wrong. We want to get the syndrome is a 0, 0, 0, and hence we discard the data word. So this is called the CRC, cyclic redundancy code. So like that we can generate the various code words for the data words. Okay. So this table shows the CRC code with the data word and corresponding the code word.